Brad Williams, Excel Prime.
Section 3.11, change how you view a worksheet. Zooming in or zooming out for better view. Go to the right bottom of your worksheet and you're going to see this, what is called the zoom feature. You can see where it goes up to 100 and then down to 0. Drag it to the right. Now at 184% of the norm. If you want to blow it out to 400%, or you can take it all the way down to 0. So that's the zoom feature. You can also hold down your control key, and then with your mouse wheel, you can roll it back to minimize. You can roll forward to maximize. If you want to go back to 100%, go down to the bottom of the zoom feature, hit 100. You can do it incrementally. You can do it simply with the scroll bar, or you can do a combination of both. Here's another feature, a very unattractive feature offered by Excel. That is a mirrored window, and you'll see here in a second why it's a nightmare, but that's just my opinion. Sometimes you want to view two different parts of a worksheet simultaneously, perhaps to make referencing a distant cell in a formula easier, or you may want to examine more than one sheet in the same workbook simultaneously. You can accomplish either of these actions by opening a new view to the workbook using one or more additional windows. To create and display a new view of the active workbook, choose View, go to your ribbon, hit View, New Window. Once we do this, it will create a duplicate. Excel displays new windows for the active workbook, similar to the one shown in 3.5. It'll just be a simple mirror. And the way you differentiate the two is by the title. There'll be an appendage, say 3.11 blah, blah, blah -2. What we'll do is we'll hit View, Window, Arrange All, and you'll see the challenge of navigating from point A to point B. Now, here's the problem when you do this. That is, if you have multiple worksheets, you add a mirrored window and you arrange all, you'll see here what challenge we'll face. So hit View, New Window, and now you see Worksheet 2. If we go to View, Arrange All, and you'll see if we hit vertical, here we have mirrored Worksheet 2 and Worksheet 1. What if we want these reversed? Worksheet 1, Worksheet 2. You'd have to minimize and close these. But here you're going to see sometimes, and they are not synced. You can sync these. We'll get into that in a second. What I mean by sync is when I move this up and down, you could sync this concurrently. So there's a mirrored view of your same worksheet, left side, right side.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime.